Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide user avatars on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're looking for a cleaner chat experience or just want to focus more on the messages themselves, this quick guide will help you get set up in just a few steps. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main Discord screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Inside User Settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the customization options for how Discord looks and feels. Now, scroll down within the Appearance section until you reach the Message Spacing area. Here, you'll see two main options, Cozy and Compact. Cozy is the default setting, but for this tutorial, you'll want to select Compact. Compact mode is perfect if you prefer a more streamlined view and want to see more messages on your screen at once. After you choose Compact, a new option will appear right below it, Hide User Avatars. Simply toggle this option on. Once enabled, all user avatars will be hidden from your chat view, giving you a much cleaner and distraction-free Discord experience. And that's it! You've successfully hidden user avatars on Discord using the new update. This feature is great for keeping your chats tidy, especially in busy servers or group conversations. If you ever want to bring the avatars back, just follow these steps again and switch off the Hide User Avatars option. Thanks for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Discord questions. See you in the next video.